Hi friends, how are you all? I hope your people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video most beautiful and stylish you will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art ideas. Today you will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls nail art, nail cutting and attractive girls nail polish designs. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Today you will see in this videos very stylish, unique, attractive girls nail art ideas. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Do you have new ideas of unique girls nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. In the comment section to tell me how was my videos. So I always try to bring beautiful, stylish, unique girls nail cutting designs. So there's a huge variety of designs in these videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Very beautiful and very stylish. You will see unique, stylish, modern nail polish designs with finger rings ideas. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. And you like this one stylish nail art idea, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. So there's a huge variety of designs in this video, so this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. So viewers, please watch my full videos and watch unique modern girls nail polish designs. For this introductive, you will see unique and stylish attractive girls nail polish designs with finger rings ideas. So dear viewers, I always try to bring modern nail polished ideas. So lovely viewers, I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends.